Hello, everyone. Are you wondering what is an average salary of a construction worker in Senegal? Let's explore. Construction work is common in Senegal, particularly in expanding cities. The average annual gross salary is about $4,800 or around $400 per month. After taxes, the yearly income is roughly $4,200 or about $350 per month. Where you work makes a difference. In large cities like Dakar, salaries are usually higher. In rural areas, construction workers often earn less. Experience also impacts earnings. Beginners might make about $3,000 per year, while experienced workers can earn up to $6,000 or more. In most cases, having a university degree is not required, but those with one may move into higher-paying roles like construction management, while those without it usually stay in lower-paid labor positions. Please like the video and share your salary in the comments. Thanks for watching, and see you next time. Goodbye.